Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Realme C67 device. A floating keyboard allows you to type with one hand more comfortably. By resizing and repositioning the keyboard, it can be placed anywhere on the screen, making it easier to reach all the keys with just the thumb. Well, and then how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Well, and then to activate the floating keyboard, you can click on menu icon here, and then tap on floating option. Okay, and then now the floating keyboard is active. And then how to use it? Here you can reposition it by holding the line and place it on anywhere of the screen suitable for you. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.